Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to clear Messenger cache to fix notifications. If Messenger notifications are delayed, missing, or acting strangely, clearing the app cache can often help by removing temporary files without deleting your messages. So go to your phone settings, then scroll down and go to General. From General, scroll down and go to iPhone Storage. Then from here, scroll down and look for Messenger, open it, then tap on Offload App. Tap Offload App once more, then tap on Reinstall App. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So you need to reinstall the app and it will place back your data. So just wait for it to be reinstalled. Once that's done, go ahead and open Messenger and see if that works. Now, if you're using Android, so go to your settings, then tap on apps or applications. Then from here, select Messenger, then tap on storage or storage and cache, then tap clear cache. So if problems continue, you can also try clear storage or clear data, but this will sign you out of Messenger and may reset app settings. So that's for Android, and that's basically it. I hope that solves the issue. Thank you for watching.